Hiya Crocheters. In this week's video, I am making this Holly Jolly Christmas gift card holder. This is a quick and simple pattern that is free on Ravelry, created by Megan Meyer, who I will link to the pattern below for you. To make this, I am using a mix of yarns in my stash. First I have Nebula and Breaking Waves by Noodle Soup, which I will wrap together as I work. I also have Light Turquoise Sparkle by Craft House Magic, which you might recognise from our Junimo's video. And then I have a simple soft off-white double knit yarn, which will be for the border. I am also using my rainbow guitar scissors, our beautiful shiny embroidery scissors, which also comes in a unicorn, leaf and butterfly design, which I'll pop a little picture on the screen for you to see. Obviously, for a crochet project, I will need a crochet hook, and today I will be using my HiyaHiya aluminium hook. The pattern suggests a size 6, however due to the yarn I am using today, I am opting for a 5mm. Both of these are available in our Ultimate Crochet Hook set, which includes all of the crochet hooks which HiyaHiya has to offer. It also comes in this gorgeous brocade case, and dare I say, this set makes a perfect gift for any crocheter. Now to start this, I'm going to use my 2 Noodle Soup yarns wrapped together. I am going to make a magic loop and pop 8 half double crochets into it, pulling it tight and popping a slip stitch through the first stitch to close it. Round 2, I am going to chain 2 stitches and then pop 2 half double crochets in every stitch, slip stitching to join at the end, leaving me with 16 stitches. Round 3, I am going to start by chaining 2 stitches, then popping 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, then 1 half double crochet in the next, repeating this pattern around until I have 24 stitches. Now before I go to do my slip stitch to join this round, I'm going to switch to my light turquoise yarn, which I am going to use both ends of this yarn from this little ball to double it up, and I am going to pop a slip stitch with this yarn to join this round. I am going to start making the top of the bauble, so this isn't going to be rounds anymore, it's going to be rows, but not full rows. So to start, I am going to chain 1 and then pop a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. I'm going to repeat this for 2 more rows, and at the end of row 3, I am going to fasten off the yarn. Now for the final part, I am swapping to my double knit off-white yarn, and I am going to attach it to the edge of my circle here. I'm going to work 2 single crochets in each stitch around the circle. And when I get back to the top of the bauble, I am going to work 1 single crochet up one side, chain 6 to make a loop at the top this will hang from, and then work 1 single crochet down the other side. I will then join to my first single crochet using a slip stitch, and I'm now going to fasten off this work. So here is one side of the bauble. So to make the full gift card holder, you will need to make another of these pieces, so you can sew them together. Here is my second piece. Now to join these, I will be using a HiyaHiya Darn It darning needle and my off-white yarn. I'm going to sew this inside out, so it's neater afterwards. Now we're not sewing it completely around, we're just going to be sewing the bottom half, so you can pop the gift cards in the top. I'm just using rough blanket stitch going around, nothing too fancy. And once I've done it, I will turn it the right side out, and here you have one lovely gift card holder. Now the pattern suggests that you can use yarn or ribbon to create a bow to tie the top loops together to secure the card if you wish. I might do that later as I've made a few of these now. Just so you can see the size of this, I do not have a gift card that I can show on here. However, I will be popping one of our business cards in so you can see the rough size. And there you go. If you like this video, please leave a comment below. If you try this pattern, please let me know, but more importantly, please go show Megan's pattern some love on Ravelry, which once again, pattern's below in the description for you. As usual, please like and subscribe for regular updates from the world of Hiyahiya Europe, and until next week, happy crocheting!